Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360 again. Today we will create such kind of object with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. To create such kind of component, first we have to draw a circle of, let's say, around 45 diameter, and after that we will draw one more circle of, this is of 52 diameter, that is pitch circle diameter. So here I am closing this window and go to Fusion 360 interface. So first go to create sketch, select this bottom plane. Now from here select this circle command, create a 45 diameter circle and create one more circle of, that is pitch circle of 52 in this way. Now the next what we have to do is select this line, draw a line at an angle of 45 and at a distance of 56 no 26 and press OK. Now as you can see we find this center. Now we have to create this circle and this circle. So the radius of the circle is 2.5 and the radius of this circle, this arc, is 6 So just come here and select this circle command, and from here select this 5 and then press enter. Again select this circle command and create one more, that is of this 12 diameter. So just put here 12 and press enter. Now the next what we have to do is we have to create this arc of radius 7 and this arc of radius 7. For that simply come here and create a circle of 14 diameter and similarly one more circle of 14 diameter and like this. And after that what we have to do, select this tangent command, select this one and this one, this one and this one. Similarly select this one and this one and this one and this one. So now we have created such kind of portions. Now select this trim command and trim it. Similarly trim this one, similarly trim this and trim this one. Now the next, after trimming these, what we have to do, select this pattern command from here, select this this and this, and after that select this center of this circle as a center point, and from here select the number of quantities 4 and press OK. After that select this trim command and trim this edge, this and this edge. Similarly trim this one. Now trim this this and this one and this one. Now here this and this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So as you can see, we have created almost the same profile what we have seen in this particular image, this one. And after that, what we have to do, we will provide the thickness of 3 mm to this one. So just finish it. Go to home position, select this extrude command, select this one and provide it. This is of 3 mm as we can see from here. And after that, press OK. Now the next what we have to do, select this one and select this face. From here again, what we have to do, we have to create these 3 circle of diameter 22 mm, 28 mm and 34 mm. For that, select this one, select this circle command, create this 22 mm, then create this is of 34 mm and this is of 28 mm. And press this finish sketch. Then select this extrude command, select this one and extrude it in -3. Press OK. From here select this one again and this one and this one. Now select this extrude command, select this one and as per the drawing, this is 5.5 and this is 3.5, so provide it up to 9. So just select this one and provide here 9 mm. Then select this one, select extrude and provide 5.5 and press enter. Now as you can see, almost what we have created the same object. Not almost, we have created the same object. Also we can provide some kind of appearance to this particular object. For that we select this appearance command and from here we can select this paint, and if you want to provide a metallic kind of, so just choose this one and select this one. Okay, first what we have to do, we have to download it. So our network is not working, so for that this yellow is already downloaded, so here I am providing this one. So this is the way how can we create such kind of object with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thanks so much.